Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off burst mode on iPhone camera. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. If each time you open the camera and you press the volume up or volume down button, this starts a burst mode. Now the first thing you want to do to turn off the burst mode is go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, locate and click on camera. Once you click on that, then you want to locate use volume up for burst. So if this is enabled, go ahead and disable use volume up for burst. And then that's the first you want to do where you want to turn off burst mode on your iPhone if your volume up button turn on or enable burst mode. However, another way you can use to turn off or disable burst mode is if you press and hold the camera button and drag it to the right, it's going to record. If you drag it to the left, it's going to record and pause. Now, with that, your burst mode is now disabled. Now, for you to not turn off burst mode, do not take a photo on your iPhone dragging this to the bottom left. You see that? Now, this particular phone has taken about 50 burst mode photos. If you click on the pictures, then it should say burst, and now I have about 58, which I can just go ahead and pick the best from. So if you want to turn off burst mode photo, all you need to do is just make sure you just click on the shutter button once to snap your picture rather than pressing and holding it and drag it to the bottom left. And then you're good. So that's exactly how to turn off burst photos or burst mode photos on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.